Number 1, typewriter effect. On your edit page, drag a video on the timeline. Click on effects and click on titles and drag the text plus above your video clip. From the inspector, change the text you want and position it to where you want. Put the playhead at the start of the text and on the inspector scroll down to Write On. Click on the second button and drag to 0. Then click on the keyframe icon and place the playhead up to where you want to show the text effect and drag the second Write On button at the end to value of 1. And your effect is ready.